Alright, so this other style now, it's trying to be confusing, but if you notice, they tie the brother A fixed. They did a V, then they did the brother S. Then they took SS from the back and did something with it. So let's tie the giddy way. Alright, first of all, you get a very nice sego, and it must be up to 90, which we're gonna do 70, 30. Yeah, 70, 30. Now, if you look at this brother is very well, they are not concentrating more of the fan. They just got pleats this side, they just pleated it, they just did a little bit of the fan. So now when you share 50-50, now one of the 50 you're holding the food. Okay. You fold, then it becomes like this now. It becomes like this, becomes 25-25, and then we are looking for 30-70. So when I said our hands like this is 5, not like this, like this. So meaning we're going to be taking 5 this way. Okay. So now that I've taken my 5. Now when you're tying a brother is, if you know you want fan both sides, you don't pleat much. But if you know you just want it one-sided, you can pleat more, you understand? When I mean pleating more, like pleating almost everything remaining small like this. So I'm going to be moderate, I'll pick just 5. I'm going to be moderate, I'll pick just 5. Okay. Now, when you are doing a V, it's always one ear closed, one ear open. And please, about my gele, that's always different is the neatness. The neatness, the neatness. The neatness. Now, you can see, we just arrange this side. So we'll do the same thing this way. Neatness matters a lot. And as you're doing it, you're covering the ear. Now, as a makeup artist, you will know placing gele on top of makeup is not that nice. So that's why you must dress your edge first. You must dress it properly before you do anything. Always come to the back. There is the area of want to do everything yourself. Try to engage the person you are working with, and as you are engaging the person, try to be very, very observant, so that the person will not leave the gele and you are tying. So first thing, you bend this one back like this. Now you can see all these lines. You can see all these lines properly. So if you have not been doing it before, you can easily correct yourself. We always say the short one up. You see this line? You arrange all these lines that are showing. See. These lines that are showing. All these lines help here to be neat. We do the same here. Now you can see I've packed everything this way, I'll bring this one backward, then I will drag. Please, your firmness of your gele start from here and drag. Then I'll give her to hold like this. So see how she's going to be holding. She's holding this one with this hand. She's holding here because ear controls here. So if she's not holding here, ear can easily pull up the ear. Now, I want to make V. I want to close the V. Now, do you know that I can make as many as I want from this side? So that's why most times you see our V, you see it, the pleats here are more. But make sure it's not lesser than the one here. So this one here now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me make 5 first. Let me make 5 pleats first, and please try for it to be flat and smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I can decide to, okay, let me just add 2. Let me add this. Now you see. Now another thing again, you can see it's on the side. So I have to arrange properly for it to be at the middle. You can see at the middle. So I'll just arrange. Now, one of the commonest mistake made, you see the last one, you now use it and do it like this. You have covered your V. Let me do it like this. Let me do this. Now you don't see them covering, using the last one to cover it like this. No, the last one is supposed to, from the end, like this. It's so hold it from the end, then you use it and pin around here. You get, use the last one, you drag it backward and pin. So now how do we pin? It goes in like this. It goes in, then you bend it back, come back up. Now it's coming up, but it's not come out properly. Now I tell people, pin is affordable for you to make mistakes. So it goes in again. Good. So now I've pinned twice, I'm sure. So you see this one here now, I can just take it to the back. I might use it later, I might not use it, so I'll take it to the back and pin. So first thing first, we have achieved our V. Now most times here might be looking slack. What we just do is arrange properly and use one to pin it down. This is like an hack, because normally you can see this GÈLè to pass it later. Now what we have just successfully done is our V. Now what do we do now? She will hold her 2 ears. Please hold your 2 ears. You spread your GÈLè. Please, if your GèLè is too hard, you break, you squeeze to break. But first of all, before you break, always hold it at the middle and break it first. If you see it's not too weak, looking like Ankara or so, don't break everything. Just maybe you just put it small. But because most times some sego, the starch in it are just too tricky. You might just break it and everything start getting loose. Okay, so now what do? We're going to arrange our pleats. Now I can decide to pick more pleats here. I might decide not to, but let me just pick a few. Then I will arrange to the end. Please, there is this common thing that normally happens in sego. If you arrange, you see it gets smaller. Now if you are working with 3, make sure at least 2 or so get to the end. If you are working with 2, you can try your best for the 2 to get to the end. So just try your best to arrange. Now I'm arranging this way now. But first thing first, I noticed something about sego. If I arrange now and go pin at the back, it start getting tighter. So what is now the hack I do? I'll hold it. Once I get to this place, I'll start picking small. See, I can pick small and I'll arrange it down here. If I pick small, I'll arrange it down here, because I'm going to be making pleats from that one. Or I'll just stay. Now that I've made like 2, 3, I can now go. And I can go now and pin. So it won't affect me that much. Okay? Alright, so she's gonna hold here for us. Now what do? We carry this smaller one. See, you're pinning here, not here, not this one here. So you drag and you pin there. So you see, my hands came from inside to hold. So now it goes in. Make sure I push it out. It goes in, it comes out, goes in, comes out. Alright, so how do we do that now? Now you will notice that one thing about this my GèLè is not that wide, so I'm not expecting much of the height from it. This my particular sego, some are wider than some. This particular one does not have more of height. So you take the small one, then you link it. Then you take small one, you link it with those lines we have made. So you see, it's just as easy as that. those line we made. So we can just take line, you can just take from here, small, big. Look at small, big. Small, big. Then from here now we link it. Pleats. Get, so we link it. So we can make small pleats. We'll link it here, get here, here big. Now get to this point, become small. So you see it should be holding it for us. So you can either pick from here or pick from here, but just know that this middle will be big. Here is small, here is small. This middle will be big. You understand? But now, this particular big, I'm not trying to get a fan, because according to that one, you will see there's no fan. So just made my pleat, try to arrange. Now you'll be asking, why is mine going this way and ours going this way? Now everybody have the hand they tie to. You understand? If you are a right-handed person, whatever I'm doing, you can do it from the other side exactly to come out well. You get? Well, the way I place, I'm a right-handed person, so I tie this way comfortably, but a left-handed person will tie this way comfortably. And another mistake I notice is the way everybody, they were not taught. Both those doing left, both those right, using right, were taught by people using left. So everybody are not used to tying this way. That's why before I teach, I normally ask. You get? So I normally ask. So for here now, if it's bouncing back, I can easily go and pin. All right, now, so see, we already have a pattern here. Now here it's bouncing back, and just go to the back and pin. So we already have a pattern here. So what do? We already have a pattern of small, big, small, big. What do we do now? See, do small, big, okay. Big, small, up, big. Make sure whatever you are doing, make sure it's on top of each other. Make sure it's on top of each other. Small, big, small, big. So you get, so this is how it is. This is how it is. Okay, now let me show you what we can do to achieve. Now you see this one here, we use it and wrap it. Now we use it and wrap it and pin. You use it and wrap it and pin. Now we are having this here. If you notice, it's supposed to go like this, but I wrapped it. I just picked the one I used to wrap it. Let me show you something. I did not twist. I did not twist like this. I picked this one. It was a wrap. I picked this one. I went down, then picked it up from here. Look at it here. It's a wrap. So I'm using it to wrap everything, so I can pin it here. Now that I've been able to pin it here, I can double the pinning so that I am sure. So that I am sure. So now, first of all, I just showed you how this bridal ace can also be tied. You get? Now I just showed you how the bridal ace can also be tied. Now we will now work with our leftover. So you get? We will now work with our leftover. I'll show you how it is done, how you can make your fan and just do your thing. Now you can see we already have this. Bringing it this way, you can see what they did, right? So bringing it this way, you can just see how they did everything they did and it came out. So now you see here now, I'll just take here now from the back and I'll pin it. See, I'll just pin it first at the back so that I know what I'm doing. You just see, I'm gonna pin it to here. You just take here from the back and pin. so that I will have know what I'm doing. See, I just pin it here. Now, you see, the way it is like this. Now let me show you. The way it is like this from the middle. All you just need to share to that middle. See, just share to that middle. Now you pin it to here. After arranging, you can pin it to here. So now you can pin it. You see? So after you have arranged, you see. Now let's go over it again. Now you have pinned at the back. You have pinned at the back. Sorry. You have pinned at the back, right? That one, it just takes small and pin at the back. Like return it back and pin right here. You can see the pin. It went in and come back. Now you see this place now. I'm going to share from this middle. I'm going to share from this middle. Now sharing from this middle now, we start to pin together with here. Start to pin together with here. Now let me start pinning. Now don't forget, what we are looking for is this tip. So don't forget, what we are looking for is this tip. So we just hold it down, pin here, okay? Pin here. Now we have one of it already. We have one of it. Now this one also, this one, just come, join together here. You get? So you see you have a lot of excess, and just bring it to this one. We have to go to the back, and this one just come. So you just arrange it on the pin. Just arrange it on your pin. That's why you see the fan that way was scattered also, because of the arranging and pinning. Like I said, these are unique, unconventional styles. So you get, so now you have to also pin here. You have to also pin here together. Here, you pin them together now. Please pin, you can pin whatever your mind just tell you to pin. Please pin. Just pin. Okay, so after so much pinning, just try and arrange here a bit. You see here the bow ties are out, coming out well. Then what we just do, turn to the back and just pin all here down so that it doesn't make everywhere look rough. Wherever you know you will pin, just pin it. Just pin it. And that's it. Just pin it. So here also, just pin it. Okay, so that is it. You can see you got your gele here, you got your bow tie here. So these are unique gele styles, you understand? So you just being creative with it. And whenever you're doing it, don't have this fear. Just do your thing, be creative, and do it with confidence. But please, I always advise for my students to always for my online students to always practice first. Before they try it out. You get, it gives you more confidence. It gives you more confidence.